The lack of national identification cards and mobile phones is locking many young people in rural areas out of financial services, despite Kenya's financial inclusion reaching an impressive 84% in 2024. This is one of the key findings of the FinAccess Survey released by FSD Kenya in collaboration with the Central Bank of Kenya and the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. Jasmine Wamboi has more.
The 2024 Financial Access Survey reveals that financial inclusion in Kenya has improved significantly, with 84.7% of adults now accessing financial services. This marks a substantial drop in exclusion from 11.8% to 9.9%. However, rural youth remain disproportionately excluded due to limited access to national identification cards and mobile phones, both essential for accessing financial services.
So that tells you that when you talk about financial inclusion, it's very, very important to focus on this age of 18 to 25 years, because that's the time when someone joins the financial ecosystem. Is the time you get your ID, is the time you register for financial products and services. And therefore, in terms of policy, probably it's good to think of how best can this space of ID ownership, this space of phone ownership be improved to ensure that that population which is financially excluded is actually able to get that kind of help.
The survey, conducted across 28,000 households, has also revealed that while financial inclusion has improved, debt distress has surged from 10.7% to 16.6%. Non-performing loans continue to climb, reflecting a growing struggle to manage credit obligations. Meanwhile, providers such as mobile banking, SACCOs and the Hustler Fund continue to expand their reach.
But what we see is that mobile money has enabled dramatic growth in banking, for example. We're over the 50% mark now. We've also seen the digital app, the fintechs, the other things that are growing.
But despite this increased access to financial services, financial health has worsened. Only 18.1% of Kenyans are deemed financially healthy in 2024, down from 39.4% in 2016. This decline is attributed to rising debt distress, reduced savings, and a focus on meeting day-to-day needs over long-term planning.
Kenya's financial sector continues to innovate for efficiency in service delivery and introduction of new products and services that suit the needs of the citizens.
Let this data not remain just numbers, but let us translate them into real persons as we unpack and develop policies, as we innovate and as we think about services and other initiatives, so that the data have real impact on the people.
Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen TV.